I am very independent and am able to be fulfilled by being on my own. Hi, I'm Diane. I always have so much to do every day. Filling orders, keeping the house clean, taking care of my two dogs and my cat, painting, figuring an order, whatever it is. That takes time and energy every day, even at my age. I'm 76 now. At night, I like to relax and not think about anything while I'm watching TV. Just relaxing. I actually like my own company. I find joy in the activities that I do around the house on a daily basis. Even after I retire, which is in a few days, and I'm so excited, I'm not going to be bored. I have too much to do to be bored. Now, I have a large family, many kids, many grandkids, and sometimes there's this and that going on, and that takes some emotional energy to deal with it. I can't imagine having friends that would also pull on that energy. I just don't think I have enough to go around. I know that I don't. I consider my family as friends. We all don't see each other much anymore because of what happened to my grandson. But we all talk all the time, or text. We're all aware of what's going on in each other's lives. We all care. We all love each other. So, I really don't need any friends. And I hate talking on the phone. I think it's draining. And I can't imagine having a friend that would call me and want to chit-chat for an hour. No, I don't have time for that. My family knows I don't have time for that. We don't do that. We get to the point, get it over with. We're all busy. All my kids are busy. Sometimes friends will bring a conflict or a drama into your life. I don't need that. I've had enough drama and conflict. I don't need that anymore. When my grandson was killed, oh my gosh. That was an roller coaster, emotional roller coaster for at least 6 years. At least 6 years. I didn't even stop crying for 6 years. And then we had to go through the trial, which was horrendous. I just don't need any more conflict in my life. I don't. And all of y'all know that I'm an introvert. So I prefer being introspective and reflective, thinking about my life, as opposed to talking it out with others. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, but you're talking it out with us right now, sharing it. I know. But in reality, I'm just talking to a camera. I know you're going to watch eventually, but right now I'm just in my sunroom talking to a camera, being reflective with myself. So, this YouTube thing is the weirdest and best experience of my life. It is weird. My family, I'm talking about my extended family, like aunts, cousins, they can't believe I'm doing this. They can't believe it. I can't believe it. So I have to just go, okay, I'm talking to a camera, that's all I'm doing. It's a big conundrum, I know. I know. I'm being contradictive, I know. Anyway, that's why I will never have a live show. Ever. Ever. I won't do that. I couldn't do that. I would not have the ability to get through that. Solitude allows me to concentrate on my passions. You know, like painting. I love painting. I love it. I get lost in it. I don't even know who I am when I'm painting. I'm lost. And I love it. I change my furniture around a lot. You know, make things look different. Try to make things look better. Living in a small space, sometimes rearranging can be a better arrangement and make things easier on you. Or find a new place to store something, you know, that helps me. I like to do things like that. And I like to watch videos of other people who have found a different way, and I'll try that. I mean, I love living inside this space and doing what I want to do. I love it. My daily life does not like distractions. When I'm alone, I have less anxiety, less stress. I'm a creative person. I know that. And I think creativity requires solitude. I think clearer and I'm more productive because of it. Socializing seems disruptive, intrusive, a waste of time. So do I have friends? No. I don't want any. I don't want any. The closest things to friends are going to be you guys out there. I love you, and it's close enough. Sorry, but you're close enough. I don't want to be obligated to anyone either. Making 3 videos every week is as far as my obligations are going to go toward other people. And I really don't feel obligated to do that. I enjoy it. This is why I do it. I enjoy it. I know that some of you people out there, you understand exactly where I'm coming from. Some of you might say, I'm not watching her anymore. She's negative. I'm not trying to be negative. I'm just trying to tell you who I am. And you know what? I'm okay with who I am. I have been for quite a few weeks. And I'm liking it. So, I'm making no apologies for who I am. You shouldn't either. You know what? Love's coming your way. From me, I love you.